Scientific concept: chemical reaction acid plus base creates carbon dioxide gas. A colourful science lab filled with beakers and test tubes. A cute animated scientist character enters. Dr. Spark appears, excited. Hello, junior scientists. Today we're going to create something amazing. A magical rainbow volcano. Are you ready for a super fun science explosion? Kids, cheering sound effect. A small volcano model sits on the table. Dr. Spark. To make our volcano erupt with rainbow colours, we need a few simple things: baking soda, vinegar, food colouring, and a little bit of dish soap. These ingredients may look normal, but together they create magic. Dr. Spark squeezes food colouring into the volcano. Red, blue, yellow, green. First, let's add beautiful rainbow colours inside our volcano, because every eruption is better with colours. Dr. Spark pours baking soda into the volcano. Now comes our secret powder, baking soda. It looks simple, but it's actually a super reactive base. Slow motion animation, Dr. Spark pours vinegar mixed with dish soap. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. When we add vinegar, an acid, something amazing will happen. He pours the vinegar. The volcano erupts with colourful foam. Rainbow lava shoots out dramatically. Dr. Spark, excited. Whoa, look at that rainbow eruption. When vinegar meets baking soda, they create bubbles of carbon dioxide gas. That